An example of my research that I've conducted over the past few years is looking at workers' perceptions of job quality in light of changing technologies. So that's their acceptance of new technology, how they feel it impacts on their experiences at work, whether it makes their work more meaningful, and whether they feel like they're getting the required training as well to be able to cope with changing technology. One of the ways that I've worked with our stakeholders is to help them communicate to public policy stakeholders of what needs to change for the government to be able to support the manufacturing industry in Australia. So we were heavily involved in a recent parliamentary inquiry process, and it was really satisfying and important to see some of the recommendations that our centre and our industry partners had made about what should change flow through into that parliamentary inquiry report. So I hope that my Cobotics Centre research will have long-lasting effects in helping organisations to think about the impact on workers and how they can better prepare for the adoption and implementation of new technology